Alexa, what is plant-based foods? What is that?
Something I found on the web. According to cardiosmart.org, in this study, healthy plant-based foods were defined as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans or legumes, vegetable oils, tea and coffee.
I heard Alexa. That's what's coming up. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? All right. So you know it's Meatless Mondays, and today we're gonna be reviewing my review on the plant-based meat that I used in my spaghetti. My sons didn't even know, so we went live, and I wanted to show people how you can still eat healthy with your kids, and they can enjoy the benefits of eating healthy foods as well, and they will never know the difference. Check out how it turned out, y'all. Just check. Gonna even know, y'all.
Look at that.
I'm about to call him down. I'm gonna tell him he gonna sit at the table and be like, "Hey, you like it or not?"
Boy, let's see. Wow, people.
Be honest now. But be honest for real. Be
How
honest.
good it is.
It may be bad. We don't know. We just want to know from your point of view. Hold up, but before I share his honest opinion, I must take you back on how I prepped this easy plant-based spaghetti. Go ahead and keep watching. Perfect. I'm just gonna use a little. We're not gonna use all of this, just a little bit, okay? Because we don't need much. Maybe a little bit more. You know what? Maybe we probably did need to do the whole thing. I'm a freestyle chef up in here, okay? So after adding your olive oil, you want to go ahead and grab those crumbles and place it in your skillet, okay? Cook it just like you would with your ground beef or your turkey meat. I mean, you know, go ahead and you're going to start with seasoning it, of course, to your liking. Now, I have some special seasoning I use, so if you follow me, then maybe you will finally find out what that season, because I can't just share that with everybody. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you know. And you want to go ahead and place your top on, let it do its thing. You already know, this is the simple part. So now this is the best part, okay? So I'm going to be adding my crushed tomatoes. I'm going to be adding my personal ingredients, okay? I'm going to be adding my red peppers. I'm going to be adding no bell peppers, but just red peppers and my onions. And I'm just chopping and dicing. You know, that's just what I like to do. And I want it chunky style. So I'm just going to be keeping it straight chunky. You know, just like if we was making some chunky salsa. But it's all about the sauce. Next is the mushrooms, baby. I know y'all saw these mushrooms. These mushrooms were quite swole, okay? So, yeah, that's what we was going for. We was going for swole mushrooms. Because somebody might hear mushrooms and be like, I don't know about that. Oh, my gosh. So, yeah, we're going to have to, like, probably conserve him a little bit of sauce on the side without mushrooms. Because I don't even want to eat it. Go ahead and add all of our chopped veggies into our crumbles, okay? We're gonna go ahead and cook that down nice and add our sauce. I use ragu this particular time, and then I added my crushed tomatoes. Next, you wanna go ahead and continuously stir while adding more of your seasonings to your sauce, okay? Because you wanna make these flavors pop. You want everybody to taste this and go, mamma mia. Next, it is time for our zucchini noodles. I had never tried these before, and I was quite curious. I was skeptical at first, but guess what? It turned out amazing. With just a few more stirs, and we topped it off with my basil that I've grown myself, yes. And this was all ready to go. So guess what? I had to go ahead and add me a side salad because I was feeling like a side salad. You know how y'all be feeling like a snack? I be feeling like a whole salad, okay? So I went on ahead and started chopping up my spinach, added some tomatoes, added some green olives on top of that, and this side salad was What everyone has been waiting for, let's go ahead and find out what my son thought about this plant-based spaghetti. He's a picky eater, Let's find out what he thought about it.
Why people?
Be honest now. But be honest for real, for real. Be
How
honest.
good it is.
It may be bad. We don't know. We just want to know from your point of
Honest
view.
opinion. And nothing trolling.
There's a little bit of mushroom in there, but turkey meat, baby.
You going in for seconds.
And turkey meat. The turkey meat be, when you season that turkey meat just right, you don't know the difference. I'm trying to tell you. Real good, huh?
Okay. See that? See that? Huh? 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 I say he like it. I think he like it.